Oh my gosh. Look at this, guys. There's that user named VyondAnimator4. Here's that user named VyondAnimator546. It's from 1 month ago. Oh my gosh. Look at what he called tigerboy9566. Look at what he called him. He called him Tiger Kiko. Oh my gosh. VyondAnimator546. Why did you call him that? You know that you cannot call him Tiger Kiko. Please, do not call him that. Do not call him Tiger Kiko. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look, he called him Tiger Kiko. Look at, guys. He called him Tiger Kiko. Why did you call him that? You know that calling someone a Kiko is rude. Why did you call him that? Why did you call him a Why did you call him a Kiko? You need to stop calling him a Kiko. You know that calling someone a Kiko is rude. So VyondAnimator546, you need to stop calling him a Kiko. You know that's not nice. So here is my message to VyondAnimator546. So, goodbye and have a great day.